Hello, fellow teachers. I'm going to show you how to use Soundtrap with our new drum and drone ear training series to do student assessment. So first you want to go to Melody and click on ear training. And then right now we only have 3 up. Hopefully we'll have more of these in the future, but I'm going to click on the first one. So we have 2 videos here. The first video includes an instrument playing what the student should either sing or play, and then the second one does not. So I'd start out the student playing along with this video, and then they can hear themselves against that helper instrument, and then they can move on to where that helper instrument is not there, and they can test their ability to hear certain pitches. Now, if you want to test their ability to hear certain pitches, you can bring these into Soundtrap. What's Soundtrap, you might ask? Soundtrap is a DAW, kind of like GarageBand, except it's kind of like Google Drive, where it's accessible from a bunch of different devices, and it sounds good, it looks good, and there's an EDU platform where it integrates with your LMS, and it'll allow you to push out assignments. So the first things that you need to do is set your project to the correct tempo. So I'm going to set it to 75 beats per minute. So if you go down right here, click in 75 and press enter, and now we are all set and ready to download these things. So click on one of them. It's going to download it, and then you're going to just drag it and drop it into the workflow area. Boop, boop, boop. There it is. There's the drum track. Now let's do the same thing for the drone. Drag and drop. And you only need to do this once. Once you do this and save this, you can push this out to the students, and then it's all done for you. Let's do the helpers. Helper notes. Okay, so now we have 4 different tracks that you can mute or solo. So let's listen to what we got here.
We're going to work on feeling what it's like to sing a unison,
and
a
I have
fifth,
the
an
drone
octave, and a
on.
third.
I have the drums. I can get rid
First,
of
we're
the
going to start with a
drums.
unison. So here we go. Match
And
this
now we hear
pitch.
that helper
3,
instrument.
4.
But we can get
Now
rid
you
of
can
the
sing it
helper
on a new,
instrument.
like ooh or ah. You can sing the number.
So now
This
you're
would be
isolating
1. You could sing solfege.
just
This
the
would be
drone
do.
and the instructions.
Whatever system works
And
best
that's
for
going to
you.
be the best for your students if
you feel
really
yourself
want to
running
hear
out of breath,
what's
you
going
can take
on.
a
But
cheater breath and come back
you
in.
can add the drums.
Now I
in.
want you to try to push this
You can
note
add that
flat.
helper instrument in. So what they're going to do is, you can do this or they can do this. They're going to create an audio track, and then let's see if I'm all set up here to record. It's going to ask me a bunch of questions. I'm not using headphones. Okay.
Cheater breath and come back in.
It's going to ask me about where my sound is. Yeah, that's what I want to use. Okay, cool. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. So now you can, like I'm going to pretend that I'm the student, and I'm going to record some. You can turn the
First, we're going to start with a unison.
It's right there.
So here we go. Match this pitch.
All right.
3,
I'm going to try.
4. Now you can sing it on a neutral syllable like ooh or ah. You can sing the number. This would be 1. You can sing solfege. This would be do.
All right, so student did their little assignment. Now we can listen to it.
Now you can sing it on a neutral syllable. 4. Now you can sing it on a neutral syllable like ooh or ah. You can sing the number. This would be 1. You can sing
that student.
Now you can sing it on a neutral syllable like ooh
Here
or
are my
ah.
instructions.
You can sing the number. This would be 1.
So they were a little flat, and then you can tell them that they were a little flat. They can also play it back and listen to themselves and be like, oh my gosh, I was a little flat. So this is how you can use our drum and drone ear training series with Soundtrap. If you don't have Soundtrap, I recommend checking it out. Have fun with this. Good luck. We'll see you in the shed.